Hoe stupid moet
Ag man,
wees
kan
om
ek net
nie-
hierdie met jou deel? Ek kry soms baie aaklige boodskappe hier op ons WhatsApp lyn, Jack Ryan FM, maar dan kry ek ook boodskappe soos hierdie wat my amper in trane het. Seven amazing God, man. Daar's hy. Hallo.
Ek weet nou wat jy sê van bid of swart of kom of nie. Ek het nou net 'n uur terug vir my swart vriendin wat vir die eerste keer in haar lewe by my kom kuier het. En sy luister nou nie op Karanda nie.
Sy moet luister.
Sy het toe nou vir jou gehoor. Ek sê vir haar, hoor hierdie ou, hoor net hier, en sy het toe gaan Google en wat. En weet jy wat, ek kan sonder skomte sê, I love this black boy.
Ag man, I love you too. I love you too.
Man, and she also said, but he's handsome.
Stop it, I like it.
Dis dan baie goed in ons. Maar ek het vir haar gesê, die ou einde die een ding van hierdie man, wat ek jou kan sê, behalwe sy Afrikaans, sy lekker lag, sy professionele Engels, en sy bietjie, partykeer kan hy bietjie daai swart twang gooi. Die feit dat hy nie bang is om wat die Here te vra nie.
Ugh man, and you know, this touches me because I think I don't know why, and my immediate answer to this question is, when has it become a thing that we pat you on the back for talking about God and for talking about Jesus, for talking about what you believe in, for talking about your personal Lord and Savior who's been with you throughout life, you know, for talking about the one gentleman that has been proven over ages to have been alive by like thousands of theologians. And my question sometimes is, but I guess it's human as well, right, is that hoe stupid moet jy wees om nie in die Here te glo nie? Like, it's all there, it's science, it's written, it is written by so many people as well. And for me, man, I will not be shy, and I will not shy away from talking about my God and from talking about my Jesus and what he's done for me in my life. Dit is net te groot vir my om stil te bly. And I'll keep on honoring him, and I'll keep on giving him praise. I am a fallen human being. I'm full of sin, and I'm not perfect, but I strive to be. And I know that God is with me all the way, or every step of the way. Dankie vir jou boodskap. Dankie dat jy luister. And man, Jesus is King. Jesus is King.